Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 20th of October. Let us go ahead and go into your reading quick. This is your 4-card spread. I'm gonna use this deck. Scorpio, let's go into your 4-card reading. Beautiful girl all over the world. Your dad is amazing. That's something about Bruno Mars. I'm hearing Bruno Mars. Beautiful girls all over the world. Something like that. Or I love girls I do adore. You put your number on this paper cause I would love to date you. Call you back when I go on tour. I love girls I do adore. I'm getting you love girls. No, maybe you're a woman who likes girls, or you're a man and you're saying you love girls. You do adore. I put your number on this paper cause I would love to date you. Holla back when I get off tour. I have a Jamaican girl, she said, honey man, why you treat me like animal? Jay-Z. Let's see who is your person. Let's go. Your person is a 5 of Cups. Your person is very disappointed too. I'm getting it's a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Disappointment is hitting you, or right now you are very disappointed with your person. The 2 of Cups, the 3 Cups is fall over with the 2 of Cups. I'm getting is either you think someone is dating someone else or someone moved on. That's your person. So let's see what your physical or sexual the connection to this person is. We have the 4 of Wands. There is no physical or sexual connection here. I'm getting you are with this person because of how nicely them live. Maybe you're moving with somebody moving with you, then find out that you are acting like the apartment is yours, basically. I'm getting somebody that want you to come live with them and you say no. Maybe roommate. Maybe somebody want you to be a roommate with them. Somebody want a roommate with you. I'm getting someone has the extra space them want to give you, but you won't accept them offer. I'm getting this someone who's in love with you though, them just don't tell you yet. They don't talk about them feelings yet. So I'm getting the only connection you feel to this person is that them have their own shit, them have their own place. They're steady. Your emotional spiritual connection is a Strength card. I'm getting a Leo again. I'm getting someone not yet. 5 of Pentacles. I'm getting you're attracted to somebody because of the job them do. And I guess that them can run them household. Everything is stocked, everything is done in them household. But I'm getting someone feels disappointed because of something you did. Maybe you were supposed to go for someone's house, Scorpio. You didn't. What's your long-term outcome? The Chariot. I'm getting is a Cancer. Something about a Cancer, something about a police officer. I'm getting a police. You were supposed to live with a police officer or live with this Cancer man. I'm getting, or you were supposed to visit him. I'm getting you did not visit him. No, maybe he didn't. I'm getting something about intimidation. You're intimidated by somebody. You're intimidated by this Cancer. Or I'm getting the Cancer is recording your conversations because something is being given back to the police. Maybe somebody want to catch up on camera saying that you love girls, or you're not into men, or that you were using them, so they can be like, ha, I knew it. I knew you didn't like men. I knew it. Knew it. I knew it, right? Maybe. But I'm getting some disappointing news about this living situation, or about something about a Cancer. Maybe you and somebody was supposed to share something. Maybe the Cancer took it for themselves. Because someone likes girls, they do adore. This could easily be somebody had somebody over them house, thinking that this would have turned into a regular thing. It didn't turn into a regular thing. I'm getting now somebody know that you're going to be heartbroken if them tell you say them had company over. Because they're assuming that the company was better than you. Stupid assumption. We have forbidden fruit. We have Prophet. We got Capricorn. We got Shark. We got Justice, which is a Libra card, and we got Passport and Pisces. Lord Jesus. We have Pisces, Capricorn, we have Libra. Or am I getting something about a Cancer going to a certain location and them can't find you? I'm getting them go to the location and them keep saying nobody lives here by that name, the person don't exist. I'm getting somebody I look for you but they can't find you. Maybe them looking at your old addresses, or them ask people, where are you? But I'm getting them can't find you. Or the house that it said that you were at, you're not there. I'm getting somebody can't find you basically. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.